Namaskar. I am Pramod Kumar, the principal of Mother Teresa Public School, Congress Mohalla Mahnar, and today I am with a very beautiful pattern. So welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome a lot. Today I have the 21st pattern, है ना? And pattern is very interesting and very beautiful. What is the pattern? The pattern is in Hindi at first मूल क्रिया, उसके बाद कर, मूल क्रिया, फिर ओ अक्षर रूप में, मात्रा रूप में भी, ये अक्षर रूप में, मात्रा रूप में भी, ए अक्षर रूप में, मात्रा रूप में। फिर से एक बार समझेंगे कि ये मूल क्रिया के बाद है ना, ये मूल क्रिया के बाद कर लगाना है। बोलकर, जाकर, खाकर, पीकर, पहनकर, ओढ़कर, सोकर, जाकर, नहाकर, धोकर, सब में कर 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 लग रहा है। और उसके बाद फिर मूल क्रिया देना है और उसके बाद वो दोनों रूप में, अपने वर्ण रूप में, अक्षर रूप में और मात्रा रूप में, ये अक्षर रूप में, शब्द रूप में, मात्रा रूप में, ए अक्षर रूप में और मात्रा रूप में। पहला उदाहरण है जाकर देखो, है ना, जाकर देखो। सी आफ्टर गोइंग, सी बाय गोइंग, सी हैविंग गोन, ऑल आर द इंग्लिश ऑफ जाकर देखो। बोलकर लिखिए, राइट आफ्टर स्पीकिंग, राइट बाय स्पीकिंग, राइट हैविंग स्पोकन। कमाकर खाओ, ईट आफ्टर अर्निंग, ईट बाय अर्निंग, ईट हैविंग अर्न्ड। देख कर चलो, वॉक आफ्टर सीइंग, वॉक बाय सीइंग, वॉक हैविंग सीन या हैविंग लुक्ड। मुस्कुरा कर कहो, से आफ्टर स्माइलिंग, से बाय स्माइलिंग, टेल आफ्टर स्माइलिंग, टेल बाय स्माइलिंग, से हैविंग स्माइल्ड, टेल हैविंग स्माइल्ड। These are the examples. And look, cast a view, cast an eye on all the examples. Please look a view, look a glance at all the examples. Look at the examples, please. Looking is must for learning. Listening is must for learning. Copying is must for learning. And practicing is must for learning. So, do all the process of learning. Follow all the process of learning. Next examples. जांच कर खरीदिए, buy after testing, by testing, buy after examining, by examining. सुनकर याद करो, remember by hearing. रटकर याद करो, remember by reciting. रटकर याद करो, remember by reciting. सुनकर याद करो, remember by hearing. याद कर सुनाइए, make hear by remembering, make hear after remembering. शुद्ध कर छापिए, print by correcting, print after correcting, print having corrected. मेहनत कर कुछ करो, do something by laboring, do something after laboring, do something having labored. पकड़ कर पीटो, beat by catching, पकड़ कर पीटो, beat by catching. तेल लगाकर बाल कंघी करो, comb your hair by rubbing iron, by using iron, comb your hair by rubbing, by using iron. These are the examples. All examples are very compulsory for your learning. So, give a glance, put a glance, have a glance, have a view of all the examples. Further examples are बेचकर खरीदो, buy after selling, by selling, by having sold. खरीद कर बेचो, सेल after buying, sell by buying, sell having bought. नहाकर पूजा करो, worship by bathing, worship after bathing, worship having bathed, worship having taken a bath. जाकर बुलाओ, call by going, call after going, call having gone. सोचकर बोलो, सोचकर बोलो, speak by thinking, speak after thinking, speak having thought. पढ़ लिख कर अफसर बनो, be an officer by studying, be an officer after studying, be an officer having been studied. गाकर नाचो, dance by singing, dance having sung. These are the new examples and few strong examples. So you should have a glance of all the examples. So please have a glance honestly, look carefully and practice. Some examples are also in the process. गिनकर पैसा लीजिए, गिनकर पैसा लीजिए, take money by counting, take money after counting, take money having counted. पढ़ाकर पकाकर खाइए, पकाकर खाइए, eat by cooking, eat after cooking, eat having cooked. नाच कर दिखाओ, perform by dancing, perform after dancing, perform having danced. पानी छान कर पियो, पिए, drink water by filtering, पकड़ कर लाओ, bring after catching, bring by catching. These examples are also beautiful. I have lots of examples and you should watch all the examples carefully. Every example is helpful for this learning process. So मोबाइल खरीदकर वीडियो बनाओ, मेक ए वीडियो बाय बाइंग मोबाइल, मेक ए वीडियो बाय बाइंग मोबाइल. नकल कर लिखो, राइट बाय कॉपीइंग, राइट बाय इमिटेटिंग. साबुन लगाकर नहाओ, टेक ए बाथ बाय यूजिंग सोप, टेक ए बाथ बाय यूजिंग सोप, टेक ए बाथ बाय रबिंग सोप. घूस देकर नौकरी पाओ, गेट ए जॉब बाय ब्राइबिंग, गेट ए जॉब बाय गिविंग ब्राइब. हल्ला करो, चोर को भगाओ, ड्राइव अवे द थीफ बाय मेकिंग ए नॉइज, ड्राइव अवे द थीफ बाय मेकिंग ए नॉइज. तो टुडे द पैटर्न इज, at first you have to write verb, after verb by or after, by oblique after. If you use by, then you can also use after and verb for in the last verb for. The next pattern, verb plus having plus verb 3, verb plus having plus verb 3. So look all the examples carefully, and I have lots of suggestions to you. So please listen my every suggestion and follow my suggestions and stay with me and watch my videos and make yourself strong and stronger, and I believe that you will be a good speaker, you will be a good writer in the future. So follow my videos, watch my videos, listen to me and try to speak. Start thinking in English, start speaking English, start using English words, start learning English patterns. And today I have the 21st pattern. So you should follow all the pattern one by one, and my link is given in the description box. So if you have any difficulty, तो go to my description box and subscribe the next video, watch the last video, earlier videos, and be a good learner. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.